Guys, Vic, I'm Crockett. I'm back with another video. I got a tutorial. I want to show you guys how to deposit money into this tuition coin. A lot of people are going to want to watch this video. The easiest, quickest way to actually purchase some tuition coins. Now, I know a lot of you may already have some tuition coins in MetaMask, and that's fine. Keep them coins over there. If you want to get some now outside of that, this is the quickest way I found. Now, you can purchase some of these coins in MetaMask as well. You can use a third party called MoonPay, and you can use PayPal over there if you would like. But I buy a lot of crypto from Trust Wallet. I like using it. I got great fees over here, so this is why I use this one. Now, once you actually go and download this app, you can download it on Apple Store or Google Play Store, and download it, get it open, create a wallet, write down those 12 words, and then you'll be on the screen I'm about to show you. So go ahead and open it up and you'll come here. Now, if you don't see Ethereum or USDT, you want to scroll to the bottom, or you may already, or it may be right here because you don't have no coins in there, and click Manage Crypto. And what you want to do is turn on Ethereum and USDT Ethereum. You see right here, USDT, you want to turn that one on. Now, if you purchase, there's a lot of different types of USDTs, but you want to get the one on the Ethereum network. So I found it easier to just get Ethereum. All right. So you can do either or. A lot of people like USDT because it's stable. Ethereum does fluctuate. So if you're not using it quickly, it will move up and down. All right. So once you do that, turn that on, you want to come and go to buy. You want to buy, you got to buy crypto to purchase the coin right now. All right. And if you don't see it, search it, Ethereum or USDT. Search it up here in the top in the box up here, and you go and click on it. I just clicked on Ethereum. All right. And you want to put in the amount. Now you got to take into account there are fees when you purchase crypto. So the fees can fluctuate every time or throughout the day. The fees are up and down. All right. So for me, I'm just going to say I'll do let's say $50 or $25. All right. We'll say $25. All right. So now right here, you want to click on where it says recommended. I'm going to click here, and you want to change that unless you're going to use Google Pay. I like to put in just a credit card. All right. And then I'm going to use Mercury O. I always pretty much use Mercury O. You can use that or MoonPay, whichever one that show you the best rate. And then you want to click buy with the credit card. All right. Now, when you come here, you just waiting on it. I'm just waiting on it to load right now. When you click this little drop box down here, right here, about $25, it'll show you how much the fee is. So it'll show you how much you'll be getting, which is $22.79, and how much they're going to charge. All right. Again, with Google Pay, sometimes Google Pay is a little bit cheaper. All right. But if you use Google Pay, you got to click up here in the top right corner on these three dots and click open in browser, and then use Google Pay that way. That way worked for me better. All right. And then you want to click continue, and you want to go ahead and purchase. All right. I'm not going to purchase because I've already purchased some for the video's sake. So I don't have to wait on them. But once you purchase, it does take a few minutes for it to come to your wallet. So don't freak out. All right. You want to come back here once you purchase, and you'll be right here at your wallet. Just keep refreshing. Just swipe down and refresh until you see it pop up. It could take 5 minutes. It could take 10 minutes. Give it time. Don't freak out. Even close the app and open it back up. Give it 10 to 15 or 15 minutes. Give it 15 minutes. All right. If it don't go through and it fail, call your bank and let your bank know that it's you that's making that transaction, because it could be a bank, blocking it. All right. Because they think it could be fraud or anything like that, but this is secure. You don't have to worry about that. Once you've done that, okay, and you see your money right here at the top left corner, you want to click discover in the bottom right corner. And I'm going to put this link in the description below. So you want to copy and paste this link. All right. In the search box up here, this link right here, Dex Tool, you want to copy and search that. All right. And once you do that, go ahead and click on it and, open it up, and it's going to bring you right here with Tuition Coin. What you want to do once you get here is to scroll down, and you see right here under this little barcode, it say, or try Uniswap. You want to click on that. Click on Uniswap. It's going to take you over to another page. Now, what you want to do is connect your wallet here. All right. Go ahead and click connect wallet, and you want to click wallet connect. And then you want to click select wallet, and it's going to bring you here for your Trust Wallet. Go ahead and click connect. Once you do that, now you're connected. So you got tuition on the bottom. You want to make sure tuition on the bottom, and you want to put USDT or Ethereum on top, whatever you purchase. And you want to click max. All right. It's going to give you the dollar amount. And then you want to click swap and you want to confirm. Give it a second. Let it load, and you want to click approve. And I'm going to do my finger touch, and it's confirming the swap. Give it a few minutes because it may take a little time on this part, but there it is. You're swapped. All right. What you purchase is you'll come back to this screen right here. All right. And you want to put tuition coins up top, and then you can put USDT on the bottom if you want, and click max, and you'll see it right here. You'll see the value. You'll see how much and all that good stuff. And then if you ever want to swap them and sell them, this is what you would do. You would put the tuition coins on top and the amount on the bottom, and you would click swap anyway. I'm not going to do it. And then once you do that, all right, your coins will show up back here on the home page in USDT, and you should be good to go. But I just wanted to make this quick tutorial to show you guys how to purchase, because I know a lot of people are trying to purchase them right now. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please reach out to me.